Okay, so this is KlymaxERP, and then this model is a CRM model, which is a customer relations management model. Okay, so I'll start you with the dashboard. So we have the dashboard where you see total sales today, average order value, and then outstanding balances. You can see it at a glance from your screen. Then we have sales distribution. If you have people who are owing or people you sell to on cash and on credit. Then you have your products, some of the services that you offer. You see them there. And then it even runs down to the hourly pattern, how transactions are done in the system. Over here you can see customer spending. You have a list of companies that are doing business with you, and then over here outstanding balances. There's a graph that shows you how high some of your clients are owing, and then down here tells you the recent transactions. So that's that. Then on the left side you have an accounting system set up for you, where you have accounting groups. You have your accounts, which can be clients or your suppliers. So over here we have your clients. So this is where you enter the name of all your clients. Over here, as you can see, you enter the name of all your clients here. You come to new account, and then you enter the details of the clients. The basic details will come here, and then if you want more details, then you have to come here. The next is opening balances. We have journal entries, we have default accounts. Then we have the financial transaction. So expenditure, you're able to capture your expenses in the office. Expenditure in the office is captured here. So you come here, new expenses, and then you see whatever that needs to be done. So you enter the details, you enter expense category, the purpose of expenditure, and then the beneficiary, and then the accounts that it has to go with. You enter it there, and then you save. So that's expenses. Then you come to bank list. So you have a list of all the banks in the country. You have all the banks and their branches, as you can see. Then also you are able to capture your bank transactions. So you can do your deposit. If you deposit money in the bank, you can capture it here as well. And then if you withdraw money from the bank too, you can capture it here as well. So over here you see deposit and withdrawal. The next one is we have setup. So this is where you set up the services that you render or the services that you offer to clients. So these are the various services. So you can set up your services, litigation, whatever services. You set it up here with the amount you charge for that service. The next place is clients, which we've looked at, which is the same as accounts. So over here you set up your clients here, all your clients. Then we come to billing. This is where you can prepare bills. I allow you to prepare bills here. So you can go to new bill, and then you can prepare your bills here. So you prepare your bills and everything, and give discount and all that here. You can print. So when you prepare the bill, it comes here as bill. Once the bill, you've dealt with the bill, it becomes an old bill. So you can see some old bills here. But pending bills are bills that have not been posted or has not been confirmed. So you can look at your bills here, and then you can print them. So if I click on the print icon, it's going to load a printout for me. So this is a sample. It will be customized by your logo, and then you have the details of the bill here. So that's it for you. You can go back. Then we have, after the bills, you can do payment. You can also do pro forma for somebody who wants a specific or a number of services. You can prepare a pro forma for the person to see how much it will cost. You can also do some direct sale. If you have some things that you sell, you can sell it directly from here. Then after all that, we have payments. So when you prepare a bill and you post it. It creates an account for somebody or a client to be paid. So some of them are here. You can see if you go to payments, you'll be able to make payments here. Of course, it goes to your accounting as well. So you make your payment here and then you save payment. You can also view payment history. So it will tell you on so and so day the person paid this, on this day the person paid that, blah blah blah. So you're able to see that. Then we also give you a free full payroll. It does everything up to the extent of preparing pay slips, sending text messages of pay slips to staff. So your staff is captured here, payroll is prepared, GRA, payee, everything is prepared here. You can use here. So that's also there. Then we have reports, which is the most important. We have sales report, we have payments, people who have paid. We have customer supplies. So when you go to payments, you're able to pull payments between blah 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 for you, and then you display the report, and then you can see your details. We have some of the direct sales you've made. We have reports on them. We have monthly report, profit and loss. We have summary. We have refunds. All that you can get from here. And then we also have reports on HR. So you have your HR reports. You have payroll reports, where we have payroll register, payslip, payee, bank advice, S.I.T reports, tax reports, everything. So you can look at it, and then if there are changes that you need, we can easily effect those changes for you as well. So thank you.